Ma'am Elizabeth, ano pong observation nyo sa kalagayan ngayon ni Tatay Dico?
He is okay. He's happy also seeing us and jolly. Yeah.
He was jolly today.
Yeah.
Yeah, the visit was really
Yeah.
very
How
good.
long? How long was the visit for?
1 hour.
1 hour.
The process should be faster than this. 6 months na siya nasa loob. Diba? 6 months. So, I think kung pwede lang sana, he would be released kung released, granted sa kanya, that's okay na sa amin. Okay na sa amin. And besides, Rodrigo said he is accepting everything. Whatever comes to him, he is accepting.
I think,
Okay
you know,
na daw siya yan. Yan ang sabi niya.
for the most
Parang
part, we
may
trust.
acceptance na siya ngayon.
So gusto niyo po matuloy-tuloy na?
No,
Yes.
no. I think for the most part, we trust the process and we
Yeah.
have faith in the process and in God.
Yeah.
That's it.
But he is well. Okay na
Yeah,
ba?
he's alive and well.
Yeah, okay,
That's as much
good.
as we can say.
Okay. So wala din siya message for everyone.
We,
Wala
even if
din,
he
hindi
has,
pwede.
we can.
Ah,
Yeah.